So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the arms and the head movement.
So before we start, make sure the background has been removed from the character. You can do that with background eraser or PixArt if you want.
You can also erase the background with Ibis Paint by using the eraser tool. Alright, so now we're going to open Ibis Paint. So first thing we're going to do is separate the body parts. So we're going to click on the eraser tool and we're going to erase everything except the head. So it should look something like this. So next we're going to color the rest of the hair in black to make it look more realistic. So once you're done, we're going to save the image. So now we're going to pretty much do the same thing for the arms. We're going to cut out everything except the arms. And we're going to save the image. So now we have the head and the arms. The only thing we need left is the body. So now we're going to cut out everything except the body. This is where things are going to get a bit more difficult. So as you can see, there's a huge part missing. So now we're going to have to redraw the rest of the body. This is by far the longest and the most boring part of manga animation. So we're going to select the brush and we're going to start painting the panel. Look, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to get the colors matching, you'll be fine. As you can see, it looks very rushed, but nobody's going to notice that, I promise you. So now we're going to save the image and let's get right into CapCut. So now we're going to open CapCut. We're going to put the green screen as the main image. So we're going to start adding all of the body parts as an overlay. So now we're going to add a keyframe at 0 second and 1 second. So we're going to do the same thing for every body part. So now we're going to go to the first keyframe and we're going to rotate it to the left side. And then we're going to go to the second keyframe and we're going to rotate it to the opposite side. So we're going to do the exact same process for the arms. You're going to spend a lot of time just readjusting some panels. I'm also going to do the same thing for the body. So the last thing we're going to do is put some graphs. You're going to go to graphs and you're going to select ease out one. This is going to make the movement a lot more realistic. So now we're going to export the project and we're pretty much done. Also, I wanted to show you how to make the movement in repetition. So we're going to go to graphs and we're going to select flow one. We're going to make a graph similar to this. This is going to make the movement kind of repeat itself. We're going to do the same thing for each body parts. So now the animation clip is pretty much done. The last thing we're going to do is to remove the green screen. We're going to click on Chrome key and we're going to set the intensity to 100. You're going to do all of this in a different project, of course. This is going to allow us to put any type of background that we want. If you want to learn more about that, just watch my previous video. So that's pretty much it when it comes to manga animation. It's all about just separating the body parts and moving them with keyframes. It's not necessarily hard, but it can take a pretty long time. So if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The next video is going to be on blinking animation.